What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back, baby. Cowboys though, Cowboys though. Then I lost a little bit of weight, trying to stay on this better diet, not eating a lot of carbs and shit. But this rod's been big for a while, but it's a lot bigger than it used to be. But hey, we cooking tonight, y'all. We cooking. I know I've been gone for a while, but finally got my fridge replaced, got my freezer replaced, got all my shit stocked up. So we back, and we back, we back, baby. You feel me? But hey, we got something simple tonight. We got some lobster tails. Some beautiful lobster tails, y'all. Let me get these decorated, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back, and we're gonna bring y'all right down here. I know my damn, there we go, right there. We're gonna put half a stick of butter. If y'all know, you know, with butter poaching is lobster. Y'all wanna see how good I am at decorating some lobster? Look how beautiful these lobster tails are. Nice and butterfly, baby. We go straight down the middle and straight across to make them the bite-sized chunks. That's how you do it. So we got that one and got this one. Beautiful. That's what we doing tonight. I got the seasonings right here. But the main seasoning I'm using, and I'm gonna tag you, Dano, is Dano seasoning. The regular. You know what? I'm using Chipotle. I'm using Chipotle seasoning. The Dano's Chipotle. It's back here. No, I use the spicy Danos. We're gonna use the spicy Danos. Now we back. All right, y'all, we're gonna take this spicy Danos. And Danos, if y'all don't know, in infant seasonings, they have very little sodium. I'll tell you right now, this one has 50 milligrams of sodium per serving. So I'm gonna put it on top of the butter. There we go. Mix it around. If y'all never had Danos, man, y'all in for a treat if you get it. All right, you guys, we back. Butter's completely melted. It's at temperature. I'll put these beautiful lobster tails in. Beautiful lobster tails in. Then put some Danos on top. These Danos is amazing, I'm telling y'all. I didn't believe it until I was introduced to it by somebody that I knew that is where my kids live, and they told me, hey, it's amazing. I was like, all right. Only thing I'm gonna add to it is some parsley flakes, and that's it. All right, here we go, some parsley flakes, and that's it. We're gonna let them cook. I'm gonna let them cook, and then in about 5 minutes, I'll flip them, and then go from there. All right, y'all, we taking the lobster tails out. I added another one, just in case I can't cook tomorrow. And I'm gonna cut these up. And we back. All right, y'all, we got that lobster diced up real nice, as y'all see. We got the mayo. Put some more Danos, spicy Danos on it. Some paprika. Parsley flakes. A little bit of salt. some lemon. And just mix it up. Alright, y'all, while we wait for I put the lobster mix in the freezer. We're gonna get these cooked in that butter and seasoning that the lobster was cooked in. That's what we're gonna do with this. And I'm gonna get this back to temperature, and then I'll put these on, get them nice and grilled up with some nice golden brownies to them. Alright, so we're taking the bread out now. And I took the lobster meat out the fridge. The freezer, I mean, sorry. There we go. As y'all can see, I sauteed up that. I dipped it in the butter that the lobster was cooked in. I sauteed it up. It will crispened it up, as you can see. There we go. Let me grab some more of this sauce. Ain't much, but it's something. Okay, we got that. We're gonna wrap some of this tortilla cheese. Love the flavor. It's a nice mild cheese. It's perfect with shellfish. As y'all can hear, that's wind. And one more sprinkle of it, and we done. Well, y'all, we're gonna take it like this. Take some lemon, sprinkle it on top. Put the lids on it. Yep. Piece of lobster fell out, so I guess I gotta eat it. I'm gone. I'm out.